I made over $1 million from a single YouTube video. But 10 years before that, I was sleeping on a couch in LA, eating dollar menu meals, and I couldn't afford to pay my rent. So today, I'm gonna tell you exactly how I went from the worst situation in my entire life to building multiple seven-figure businesses entirely from posting content, and the 5 decisions that actually made it happen. So let me take you back to the beginning, because I think it's important to understand where this actually started. I grew up in a small farm town in Virginia. I'm talking more cows than people, and I didn't take my first dance class until I was 17, which in the dance world is insanely late, but I fell in love with it, and after a couple years of training, I decided I was gonna move to LA and try to make it as a professional dancer. So I packed up my 2-door Honda Civic with everything I owned, and I drove across the country all by myself. And when I got there, reality hit pretty fast. I was taking 3 dance classes a day, failing at auditions constantly, teaching private lessons on the side just to scrape together enough for rent. I'm talking eating the cheapest food I could find every single day. There was no YouTube career, there was no following, just a kid in a city full of people who were better than him, trying not to quit. And honestly, I almost did quit multiple times, because the thing that was eating at me wasn't the fact that it was hard. It was that I felt completely powerless. I was waiting for someone to give me permission. I was waiting for an audition, callback, waiting for a choreographer to notice me, and I hated that helpless feeling. So I started posting dance videos on YouTube. And back then, YouTube was a completely different place. There was no monetization, there was no algorithm pushing your content. I was just doing it to practice and connect with other dancers, but then something happened. One of my videos got a few thousand views, and then the next one did a few more, and then one of them properly took off. Hundreds of thousands of views, people sharing it everywhere. And for the first time, I realized I didn't need to wait for permission from anyone anymore. I could just create. And that's the part I wish someone had taught me from the beginning. Not the dancing, but the business side behind the content, because I spent years figuring all of this out the hard way when it really comes down to a handful of decisions and frameworks that just work. So if you are a creator or you want to be one and you're trying to figure out how to actually turn this into real income, I built something that walks you through all of it step by step. Just click the link in the description below. But let me tell you what happened next, because this is the part that surprised me the most. See, most people think the story just takes off from here. The views go up, the money rolls in, everything's great, but that's not what happened at all. See, even when I was getting millions of views and my classes were completely full, I was still broke because I was treating content like an art form rather than like a business. And that's the first decision that I made that changed everything for me. I stopped thinking of myself as just a dancer who posts videos, and I started thinking of myself as a business owner who uses content as a vehicle. That shift might sound small, but it changed everything about how I operated. Instead of just posting whatever I felt like, I started being intentional. What does my audience actually want? What content brings in the most views? How do I turn those views into something real? As soon as I made that shift, things started compounding fast. The second decision was going all in on giving value. I stopped holding back. I started posting more tutorials, more behind the scenes, more content that actually helped people. And the more I gave it all away for free, the more my audience grew and the more opportunities showed up. That led to brand deals, sold out workshops, tours, and eventually companies flying me out to teach in countries I'd never even been to. The third decision was diversifying beyond just one income stream. Because here's the thing most creators don't realize. Ad revenue is great, but it's not a business. It's one income stream that a platform controls. So I started building other things, a production company, a clothing brand, a coaching program, digital products, and all of it was built on the back of content. Every business I started, the customers came from people who found me through a video. The fourth decision was investing back into content when it was working. When I had my first big year financially, I didn't go blow it on fancy cars. I hired a better editor. I upgraded my gear. I invested in learning how other creators were growing, and that created a cycle where better content led to more views led to more income, and more income let me make even better content. And the fifth decision, and honestly, this is the one that matters the most, was not quitting when things went wrong, because things went very wrong. Record labels hit my channel with copyright strikes, and YouTube shut down my entire channel. Years of work, millions of subscribers gone. I had to start completely over from zero, and on top of that, I estimated that I've lost somewhere around $15 million in revenue that the record labels took from my videos over the years. Now, most people might have walked away after that, and I definitely thought about it, but I didn't. I rebuilt it, and the second time around, I was smarter about it. I understood the business side even better. I understood monetization, and I grew even bigger than the channel was before. So after I rebuilt built and things were really working, something unexpected happened. Other creators started reaching out, asking me how I did it. Not how I did the choreography, but how I built the business. And at first, I was just helping people informally, a friend here, a DM there. But then I started actually working with creators one-on-one, and the results blew my mind. The first person I worked with had a gaming account, under 2,000 followers, each video barely breaking 100 views. I changed the hooks, the formats, the posting strategy. Within the first month, that account had videos with over 15 million views across TikTok and Instagram. And I'd never made a gaming video in my life. That's when I knew this wasn't about dance. The system works regardless of the niche. Then I worked with the Double Time twins. They've been trying to make content work for 8 years. And in that time, they had less than 2,000 subscribers. Now, in the next 8 weeks, they did over 300 million views and now are over 200,000 subscribers. They're monetized, they're making a real income. And the thing that's blowing my mind is just how fast it happens. Most of my students have had their biggest video ever within the first 4 weeks of us working together, because the gap between where they are and where they want to be isn't some massive canyon. It's usually just a few adjustments to their hooks, their format, and their strategy. That's it. Now, one last example that's really crazy is one of my students, Matt. He's a fitness creator, and for 6 weeks, he would message me saying, man, I just don't think this is for me. I can't do it. His videos were stuck under 1,000 views, and he had less than 100 followers. Now, just 4 weeks later, he's over 20,000 followers with videos over 1 million, 2 million, and even 3 million views. And most importantly, this has allowed him to quit his job to become a full-time fitness creator. He's already getting DMs of how his videos are changing people's lives, inspiring people, and how they want to work with him one-on-one. So he doesn't even have to do outreach. People are literally coming to him. And this is from someone who started this account brand new, 0 followers, less than 2 months ago. So it just shows you how quickly your life can actually change when you learn to create good content. And that's the thing I keep coming back to. I look at where I am now, 35 million followers, multiple 7-figure businesses, and literally all of it traces back to one thing: posting content and understanding how to make it work. Every brand deal, every sold out tour, every business I've ever built started with a video. But the part that took me 19 years to learn, my students are all figuring it out in weeks, all because they're following the same formulas I used to build my social media. And whether you want to be a full-time creator, grow a brand, or just start making your first $1,000 from content, the playbook is the same. So if you want the exact frameworks, the viral formulas, the monetization strategies, everything I know after 19 years and 35 million followers, just click the link in the description below. That's where I break it all down step by step, and I can't wait to help you out on your content journey. I'll see you in there.